Now listen. Are you lucky? Yes. Tell me. Yes, you are lucky because you have lovable and very caring parents, and your parents also very lucky. They also have beautiful children like you. So your parents also very lucky. If I ask you, what do you want to become? You will say, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a nurse, I want to become an engineer, and I want to become a teacher. I want to become a teacher. Do you like animals? Yes, I like animals. Do you like animals? Yes, I like animals. If I ask you, what type of creatures do you want to become? What type of creatures do you want to become? You will say, I want to become a butterfly, I want to become a myna, I want to become a fish, I want to become an octopus, I want to become an elephant, I want to become a kangaroo. Am I right? Yes. The narrator of this poem is one child. The narrator of this poem is one child. She is expressing her feeling in this poem. She is expressing her feeling in this poem. Now I explain this poem. Just you imagine, I am a little girl. I am thankful for all creatures. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for the wings. See, this is wings. Did you see the wings? This wings, it has many colors. It has very many colors and look like very beautiful. So, if I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for the wings. Next, myna. This is myna. If I were a myna, I would be thankful for my sing. If I were a myna, I would be thankful for my sing. Did you hear myna sound? See, myna sound does look like a song. So, if I were a myna, I would be thankful for my sing. Next, this is fish. Did you see the fish? How it will move the water? If I were a fish, I would be thankful for my wriggle and giggle. I would be thankful for my wriggle and giggle. Next, this is octopus. This is octopus. How many arms do you have? We have 2 arms. How many arms do you have? We have 2 arms. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many arms this octopus has? 8 arms. How many arms? 8 arms. So, if I were an octopus, I am thankful for my 8 arms. I am thankful for my 8 arms. See, what is this? This is elephant. What is this? This is elephant. If I were elephant, I would thankful for my trunk. Thankful for my trunk. At last, kangaroo. What is this? Kangaroo. If I were a kangaroo, I would thankful for my hop. I would thankful for my hop. Now, we recite this poem. Listen carefully and look at the book. Now look at the book, Unit 2. I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. Already I explained. If I were a butterfly, I would thankful for my wings. If I were a myna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a myna, I would thankful for my sing. Next, if I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. See, what is meaning of wriggle? Wriggle means to move. Wriggle means to move. And giggle. What is meaning of giggle? Laugh. What is meaning of giggle? Laugh. Glee, enjoyment. Glee means enjoyment. If I were a fish, I would thankful for my wriggle and giggle with glee. So, I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. See, the girl is telling, I am lucky, and I doesn't want to be anything. I don't want to be anything. I don't want to be anything. So the girls feel very lucky. So the girls feels very lucky. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. See, if I were an elephant, I can raise my trunk. Already I explained. Now, if I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Hop, what is meaning of hop? Jump. Hop means jump. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Next, see octopus. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. At last, so I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. So at last the girl is explained everything is special in the world. Everything is special in the world. So the child is also special. The child is also special. So the child feels lucky. And she doesn't want to be anything. She loves herself. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Now listen. நீயா இருக்கணும். நம்ம யாருக்காகவும் எதுக்காகவும் இருக்க மாதிரி நம்ம ஆசைப்படக்கூடாது. எல்லாருமே இந்த உலகத்தில் ஸ்பெஷல். நமக்கு நம்ம தான் ஸ்பெஷல். ஸோ த கேர்ள் இஸ் திங்கிங் லைக் திஸ். வாட் இஸ் த moral of this story? The moral of the story is you should happy what you are. And don't try to be anyone or anything. Thank you, students.